Hello and welcome. This is Recursive Thinking. Today I wanted to do a quick video over a question that I seem to not be able to escape. Even as a senior engineer, I've seen this question thrown out multiple times as a warm-up or an icebreaker. And that question is to create a palindrome checker. Okay, jumping into the code. So we have our function called isPalindrome, and it takes in one parameter called value. At the stage of the interview, it's a really good idea to make sure you understand the requirements of the question and make sure you understand any limitations around the input values. So in this case, you should ask your interviewer if I'm expected to handle invalid cases. Maybe a user puts in undefined or null, or maybe a word with numeric values in it. After checking any null, undefined cases and doing some data sanitation, we can jump into the problem. So the method I'm going to be using in this solution is the two-pointer method to solve this. What it essentially does is, instead of iterating over the string from left to right, I'm iterating from left and right towards the middle. And as I'm going, I'm going to be checking that each of those values are the same. If they're not the same, then we can just return false. Because, like I mentioned, a palindrome is spelled the same way forwards and backwards, so those characters will be equal to each other. And now, after checking every character on both sides of the string, we can just return true. The last and final step, we gotta test our code. Put together some test cases for this and just gonna run it, and everything looks good.